What's up, YouTubers? How y'all doing today? Everybody let all the information from the YouTube dropping its regulations soak in. Yeah, it's starting to soak in with me too. And I can see how I can make some money. I can see how you can make some money. And I'm glad to be here in this position at this time to be on the platform so I can make this money. So I'm here as your friend, sister girl named Delores. Hi, my name is Delores. Thank you for viewing my channel. I'm so happy to be here because I want to explain to you in plain English what all the YouTubers that we're listening to are saying. I want to just give it to you straight. And you know, I won't be spilling the tea. I'm gonna give you game. I'm not a tea girl. I'm straight game. So if you like how I talk, you know, I might do a little swear every now and then, but not too much. But I'm going to tell you straight from my heart. Okay, as of today, right now, I'm saying that YouTube and TikTok and Instagram is beefing. So it is our time, it has ever been, it's our time as small creators to get on the platform. And what I mean by small creators, I'm not talking about the small creators of make it perfect looking creators. They want down to earth people. I was talking to a friend of mine this morning and I said, you know, you can start a YouTube channel because I've been in your house. You got hella shit that you've inherited over the years. In your closet, you got a wraparound closet full of clothes. If you were to put a camera to how you gonna clean up this mess and sell it or whatever you're gonna do to it, you will have an audience because it'll be somebody that's just like you doing exactly the same thing. Her fashion sense is impeccable. So if you check her out as she goes through the back of her closet, pulling out her clothes, you're gonna find that this girl got a talent. So I'm talking about that kind of talent. That kind of talent that's grown, not perfect by any means. And she said she's going to Oakland to get some hot links for her husband's birthday. I said, you know what? You the kind that go in the kitchen with all that food and you should put a camera to it. Not because you're the best cook of the gumbo, shrimp, what she likes to do, is because people like her personality. That's what I'm talking about, people. Start your community, offer who you are right then and there, and entertain us. Entertain us. Now let's talk about entertaining us. I'm not talking about talking and schooling us and teaching us. Entertain us, and we will follow. Now, as we follow you and we pick up on what you do, and we might pick up a trade or two. You can give us everything you have, or you can just let us view it and demonstrate it and entertain us. And we still will be smitten by you and join your community. So I don't choose to give out all my personal. I'm gonna have to ease in it, but you know what I mean? So I'll tell everybody else, you ease in it. And I've been talking to the grown and sexy, you know, hashtag Urban Garden, grown and sexy, subscribe, please. But as a young adult, at whatever level you are, you repair bikes. They want that, okay? They want us to put what we do in our morning garage routine on a Saturday, like today. Saturday, like today. They want that entertainment, that kind of content. Because I know as I was doing my research, I sure was looking for some entertainment. I didn't find nothing but teaching. Teaching or jokes or cartoons. Nobody, and you know TV is on demand. Why not make that we tune in to a family that I truly cherish to subscribe to on demand? Oop, that's game. Game for the day. Tune in and subscribe for more. Thank you, YouTubers. Thank you, Auntie Delores. Is here to talk. Bye. I'll talk to you later.